Okay, so for our very last um, gallery we're going to set up, or interactivity event, we're going to set up um, the light box. Okay, so how do we do that? Couple things about adding the light box. Okay, this is why I give you these folders. The CSS, so this styles the light box, kind of makes it look like it does. All right, you can see there it's just a little CSS document, which is like an HTML document, but CSS. We have the images, which are just the little symbols for the light box. Okay, so you could just move these to your images folder. Okay, it'd have to be named the same. And we don't need anything in the image FNL. We have our JS folder. This is our JavaScript folder. And then we have our Lightbox images, which if you use this and set yours up, they could just be in your image folder. I just put them here to make it easier for us. And then I have this little bit of script. Okay, and this is what makes the whole Lightbox run. So if you want to have a Lightbox in your photo documentary site, you would need to move over to it. This folder, and you would just need to move these or move this whole folder to your images folder, okay? Or just put these images in your images folder. All right, so, and you would actually need to use this little script. But let's go ahead and set it up and just kind of go through the motions, and then we can talk about it a little bit more. So in this, we'll set it up almost all the way, and we'll finish setting it up in the next video. So it'll be like 2 shorter videos. Okay, so let's get the little thumbnails in. Okay, so we have something to work with. Let's see. Okay, so insert image. One more. Box images. And okay. Insert image. Again, all the THs. Insert image. Okay, so we have our 4 thumbnails there. Now let's put in our script and we'll talk about that. So I'm going to double click on this text document here. Okay, great. So this is the actual JavaScript that makes the site, sorry, the Lightbox work. Okay, so let's take this out. Control C. Now this is very crucial where you put it. Okay, here's some JavaScript already. Just leave that alone. Okay, this is the stuff that Dreamweaver's writing. Just leave it alone. All right, where I like to put this JavaScript for the jQuery Lightbox to work is right underneath the title tag. So on line 6. Okay, and let's talk about this, what these things are saying. Okay, so the first tag is a JavaScript tag, script tag, and it's saying look for a folder that's JS. Oh, I have that here. And it has the jQuery script in it. Okay. The next is another script tag. It's saying look for this JS folder. Okay, I have that right here. and look for this. That makes the jQuery Lightbox run. So this is just a general JavaScript thing, library, really is what it is. And then this is a very specific one for the action. And then there's a link to a style sheet, CSS, jQuery Lightbox, okay, which is right here. And now there's a little bit here, okay? This is the actual jQuery language being written. It has a $sign. So how like when we have CSS, when we do like an ID, like with the, we have to write hashtag whatever for a div or an ID. It's kind of like that. So $sign, so it says, this first line just says, like when the page opens, function, run the lightbox in a div hashtag gallery. Okay, so it means like make all of this happen for any image that's in the hashtag gallery. Okay, it has A on it after it. Just leave that there. You could take that out, but that's why in the last div that we made, I said that it is important to ID it as a gallery. Okay, so in the last video, we will make this run. Okay,